When do we use the past simple?
When do we use the past simple tense?
We use the past simple to talk about actions completed in the past.
Which of the following sentences uses past simple correctly?
The sentence, "I went to the store yesterday," uses past simple correctly.
When do we use past simple with a specific time expression like yesterday?
We use past simple with a specific time expression like yesterday when the action happened at a definite time in the past.
Which sentence is in the past simple tense?
The sentence, "She ate pizza last night," is in the past simple tense.
Which sentence is past simple used for?
Past simple tense is used for describing actions that happened and finished in the past.
Which of these time expressions is commonly used with past simple?
The word "last week" is commonly used with past simple.
When can we use the past simple tense?
We can use the past simple when describe actions that finished at a specific point in the past.
When can we use the past simple tense?
We can use the past simple tense when say, "He went to the gym last week."
Which actions do we not use past simple to talk about?
We do not use past simple to talk about ongoing actions. Which sentence is correct? The sentence, "I didn't see the movie yesterday," is correct.
How do we use the past simple?
How do we form the past simple of regular verbs?
We add ed to the base form to make the past simple of regular verbs.
What is the past simple of go?
The past simple of go is went.
Which sentence is in the correct form of past simple?
The sentence, "She ate the cake yesterday," is in correct form of past simple.
How do you form a negative sentence in past simple?
We use did not plus base verb to form a negative sentence in past simple.
What is the past simple of play?
The past simple of play is played.
How do we ask a question in past simple?
We use did plus base verb to ask a question in past simple.
Which of the following is a correct question in the past simple?
The sentence, "Did you see the movie?" is a correct question in the past simple.
In the negative form of past simple, which verb is used with not?
The verb did is used with not in the negative form of past simple.
How do you form the past simple of irregular verbs?
We use the third form of the verb to make the past simple of irregular verbs.
What is the past simple of have?
The past simple of have is had.
How do we use to be in past simple?
Anna didn't answer her phone last night. Was she at home last night?
No, she wasn't.
They walked for hours during their trip. Were they tired after the trip?
Yes, they were.
Mr. John taught me math when I was in high school. Was he your teacher in high school?
Yes, he was.
You weren't in the group photo yesterday. Were you at the meeting yesterday?
No, I wasn't.
I wore a thick coat this morning. Was it cold this morning?
Yes, it was